Texas Emergency Management Agency. The Galena Park Police Department is searching for Jesus Ludena, white, male, 22 months old, date of birth August 28, 2015, 24 inches tall, 30 pounds, black hair and brown eyes. Police are looking for Alejandro Sebastian Ludena, white, male, 25 years old, date of birth September 26, 1991, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 160 pounds, black hair and brown eyes in connection with his abduction. The suspect is driving a brown 2008 Honda Civic with a Texas license plate number of HBS2149, missing front and rear bumpers. The suspect was last heard from in Galena Park, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Galena Park Police Department at 713-675-3471. News media point of contact is Galena Park Police Department at 713-675-3471.